So hey, you guys, want to show you an unboxing of a digital smart lock by the Handl company. I want to thank the Handl company for sending me this lock to try out and show to you, and just want to give you an unboxing and share my thoughts of let you see what I see in the Handl smart lock with fingerprint and lever. Been around the locking business for about 40 years, and I have a little experience in these areas here. So let's take a quick look. The Handl Smart Lock with fingerprint lever has the advanced fingerprint identification, has compatible with RFID IC fobs, and number 3, really good key is that it works with Alexa and Google Assist. Requires a Wi-Fi hub for those. Otherwise, it will stand alone to do the key, the fingerprint, and the codes all on the lock right there. Let's open it up and see what we have. So pretty cool deal. It's a deadbolt situation. Has alternative lock. Let's get a look here. I love the finish of it in the silver, the one that I'm opening up here. And also it has like a bronze color available as well. We have in here instructions. The smart lock has customer support number. I love that. Really good there. Has email, contact, toll-free number. Really nice manual here with QR codes for video instructions and updates. So that's neat. You just take your phone and you put your camera on and look at the QR code, and it'll give you your instructions easy without having to even go online to the manufacturer's website. And for more video research, the Handl Tech also has YouTube videos as well. And so pretty neat here. The contents of it is product details, package listings of the things in the package, how to get started, how to reset the lock, which is very important, app for the guide, so it tells you how to roll through the app, the gateway connections if you're connecting to the Wi-Fi, the Alexa connections for connecting to Alexa, and then the Google Home Connect for connecting to Google Home Connect Assist, and the frequently asked questions. Pretty good, clear pictures on the layout of the lock and the major pieces. The packing list is cool too, because that way you can go through and make sure all the pieces that they've promised to send you, they have. Okay, and then it talks about handing of the door, how to set it up on your door, and it's really a DIY type product that you can do yourself. I like the simplicity of the instructions, really simple and clear. It's adjustable for 2 different back set sizes. That's the length from the edge of the door over to the center of the hole. Okay. It has adjustable hand directions and install of the touchpad. It has the remote IC wire, and then the screws, the battery pack, and then here are some of the actual instruction settings there for final testings. And then in a whole app section here for the smart app. Shows about loading up the app from your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Really simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of steps of instructions, account registration, simple. A home page of how to function with the app, the unlock features, remote unlock, the e-keys, passwords, cards, fingerprints, remote, authorized administrators to set up codes, records for an audit trail. Pretty cool. Passcode section specifically. All this is mobile app things that they're giving you really good instructions about the mobile app before you even load the mobile app. And the gateway connections for the Wi-Fi connection gateway, which is an option. Alexa connections, Google Home connections, frequently asked questions. User's manual right there. Pretty cool. When I mentioned to you about the back set, here guys, this has the couple different size holes from the edge of the door. What you would do is fold this over on the dotted line, and this would place on the edge of the door and allow you, if you needed to drill a new hole with a hole saw. but most likely you're retrofitting this to an existing lock that's on your door, taking that standard lock off and putting on this smart lock. Let's see what else is in the box here. We got our styrofoam there. We have in here a box of parts and tools. Let's see what we have. Multiple packets. All right, guys, there we go. We have the, it comes in steps. Step number 2, okay? And a step number 4. We have backup extra screws, okay? And step number 6. Step number 3.2 and 3.1. So they really separate all the screws into the steps according to the instruction book step that we have here. I love that. That is impressive that they've given you those steps. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. What else is in the box is, these are our key fobs. Okay, you get 1, 2 of them, programmable, okay, with little keychain tags there. 2 of those. You have 3 physical keys, all right, all ready for backup traditional use. If you don't want to use the fingerprint, the codes in the front, or the key fobs, or the Bluetooth phone function, you've got traditional keys. Stick them in, unlock the door. And here is your latch. Your latch is a traditional type of latch, not a deadbolt part, but a latch. And then it has the size here, 60 millimeter, 70 millimeter, and allows you to adjust this to different lengths depending on your hole. You remember I showed you guys in there about the different lengths? There we go. So if your hole pattern is here, it's a 60. If it's a 70, this piece will pull out a little further to allow you for a little different back set, a hole that's longer away from the edge of the door. Okay, simple, simple, easy to do. Let's look at some of the other big pieces in the package. We're going to take this out. And we're looking at the lock set, okay? Gotta unpull that there. And here is the lock set that basically gets mounted on the inside of the door. Inside of the door, guys. Okay, has all the features here that snug up to the hole in the door. And then here is your handle on the inside, depending on which way your door is mounting, okay? And let's pull this little cover off here. When we pull that cover off, guess what? Battery pack for your 1, 2, 3, and 4 AA batteries. Really, I always recommend using a high quality battery, strong extra life, brand name battery to put in here. Okay, that cover goes on and that allows you to then put it back in and snap in. There's the inside of the lock for the inside of your house or your business. Let's set that there. And let's get to the real joy of this thing. This is the digital lock. All right, guys, there she is. This is, again, the Handl keyless entry door lock, Handl Smart Fingerprint Deadbolt. And it has Bluetooth code lever for front door, touchscreen touchpad. Handl works with Alexa and Google. So as I shared with you, you have multiple ways to unlock this lock. Let's go here. Basic fundamental is you have your key. It goes in and it turns. That gives you a backup. If all else fails, you have a backup key. They give you 3 of those. You have your key fobs. And your key fobs go in your keychain and RFID on unlock the door. You have touch buttons on the front with code numbers that you can tap in. You have a fingerprint reader here right on the front. Okay, you've got multiple ways to unlock this lock. It has a heavy metal finish, durable feel. You have a USB plug connection here for updates as well as indicators, sound, volume off, and then you can also do the syncing of it for any other firmware there. So definitely a key piece to have. Important, has lock spindle directions. You have durable knobs for your sets. Okay, so basically these two pieces will marry together with a door in the middle, something like that. Okay, does that help you guys out? Inside the home, outside the home. There you have it. Those are all the pieces for the Handl lock set. And I like what I see. The big test is going to be, let's get it on a door and try it out. So I wanted to do this unboxing today so you guys can get an idea of what I'm seeing, and so you can get an idea if it might be something good for you. So check this one out, and we'll come with another video to show you about the installation at another time. Tell them Phil sent you. Thank you.